iPhone file transfer permission missing on Windows. Fix. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to PC. Use an original or certified USB cable to connect your iPhone to your Windows computer. Make sure the cable is firmly plugged in on both ends. Step 2. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Your iPhone must be unlocked for Windows to access its files. Step 3. Tap Trust on iPhone. When the Trust this computer message appears, tap Trust, then enter your passcode. This gives your PC permission to access your iPhone data. Step 4. Allow access on PC. On your Windows PC, wait for the device to be recognized. If prompted, allow access so Windows can view your iPhone's photos and files. Step 5. Transfer files between devices. Open File Explorer, this PC, Apple iPhone. Then copy or move files between your iPhone and PC as needed.